62 days to the presidential contest, the Court of Appeal has a major decision to make on the declaration of the poll outcome and who has the legal mandate to do so. IEBC has challenged last month's High Court ruling rendered by Judges Agri Muchelule, Weldon Korir and Chacha Mwita in a petition filed by Maina Kiai, Helef Halifa and Tirop Kitur that sought an interpretation and determination on where the final presidential results should be declared. The judges then ruled that presidential results announced by the 290 constituency returning officers were final and could only be altered through a court ruling, a position contested by IEBC.
What the constituency returning officer does, and the ability that is donated to him by the Constitution and the law, is to make an announcement of the results. That there is a distinction, my Lord, in law between the term announcement and a declaration of election results.
When we hold a presidential election, the whole Republic of Kenya is one constituency for that purpose. And 136(1) is very, very, very clear, my lords. And the returning officer for that is the commission itself through its chairman.
IEBC is relying on provisions of Article 138, Sub-Article 3C of the Constitution on the counting, tallying, verification and declaration of presidential election results, while the Commission argues that verification of the results did not imply alteration of the same. The NASA battery of lawyers led by Senior Counsel James Orengo insists that such a move provided an avenue for tinkering with the poll outcome.
The Commission donates its powers to conduct elections to its returning officers in Regulation 3 of the Elections General Regulations. That power having been donated to returning officers, a data entry clerk at the Commission or any other person working at the Commission cannot purport to execute the functions of that delegated power. Elections, I do submit, my lords, are conducted by designated officers, not any other person.
The chairman of the commission is not sitting in Nairobi in his office alone and saying, what did the good people of Dumberi say? Oh, they say 10,000. No. Those chaps cannot be more than 4,000. I have changed. That's not what's happening. What is happening in the verification process is as safeguarded by law as what is happening in the constituency level.
The NASA team has anchored its opposition to IEBC's appeal on Article 86 of the Constitution and sees nothing wrong with constituency returning officers declaring presidential election results with finality.
So that what we are talking about in Article 86 are results, the tabulation of the number of votes received by each of the candidates. Once that tabulation is done at the constituency level, it is final. It should not be varied, it should not be confirmed, it should not be altered unless by an order of a court.
The hearing continues tomorrow with the 5-judge bench comprising Milton Makandia, Agnes Murgo, Kathurima Mtoinoti, William Ouko and Patrick Kiage expected to make a verdict within 3 weeks. But regardless of their ruling, the matter is likely to head to the Supreme Court due to the vast political interest in the declaration of presidential results in what is expected to be a hotly contested race in August. At the heart of the contest is whether presidential election results declared at the constituency level are final and can be subjected to any alteration after verification by IEBC at the national level. NASA holds that such verification provides an opportunity for monkey business, while IEBC and the government on the other insist that finality of constituency results is a recipe for chaos. Francis Gashuri, Citizen TV, at the Court of Appeal, Nairobi.